This video demonstrates how to install the PDQ 7101 door closer in a regular arm configuration, also known as a standard mount. Before starting, review the installation template provided with your closer. The PDQ 7101 can be set for door openings ranging from 100 degrees to 130 degrees, depending on your application. For this demonstration, we'll set it for a 100-degree opening. Measure from the pivot point of the top hinge and mark 7 5/16 inches over on the face of the door. From the top edge of the door, mark 11/16 inches down to locate your first mounting hole. From that mark, measure 1 inch over for your second hole, keeping the same 11/16 inch vertical position. Then measure 3 inches over from that second mark and place your third hole 2 1/4 inches down. Finally, measure 1 inch over from that point and mark your fourth hole, also 2 1/4 inches down. These 4 points form the mounting pattern for the closer body. Next, move to the frame to mark the arm foot bracket location. For a 100-degree opening, measure 11 13/16 inches from the hinge pivot along the frame head and mark your first hole. Then measure 1 15/16 inches further for the second hole. Both holes should be 1 1/16 inches up from the bottom of the frame stop. Once the marks are made, use a center punch to dimple each location. This helps your self-drilling screws start cleanly and reduces walking. Pre-drill one pilot hole using a 3/16 inch drill bit to make installation smoother. Now unpack your closer. The PDQ 7101 includes the closer body, arm assembly, decorative cover, and a screw pack suitable for both metal and wood doors. For today's installation, we'll use the self-drilling metal screws. Mount the closer body so that the cylinder faces the hinge side. Align the closer with your layout marks and fasten it to the door, starting with the top left hole first. Once aligned, drive in the remaining screws to secure the body firmly in place. Next, prepare the arm assembly. The PDQ 7101 uses a 2-piece arm, a main arm, and an adjustable forearm, plus a foot bracket that attaches to the frame. Remove the connecting screw to separate the 2 arm sections. Install the foot bracket on the frame using the 2 screw holes you marked earlier. Be sure the long side of the bracket faces the hinge. Now attach the main arm to the closer spindle. The spindle has a shaped profile to ensure proper orientation. The arm should project 90 degrees straight out from the door. To seat it properly, preload the closer slightly by rotating the spindle about 1/8 of a turn with a wrench or vice grips before dropping the arm onto it. Secure it using the supplied screw and washer. Reconnect the forearm to the main arm using the screw you removed earlier. With the door partially open, align both arms so they form a straight line and tighten the connection securely. The mechanical installation is now complete. Next, let's fine-tune the hydraulic adjustments. The PDQ 7101 features 3 hydraulic control valves located on the closer body. The sweep speed controls the main closing motion. The latch speed controls the final few inches of closing. The backcheck provides resistance as the door opens, preventing slamming or wall impact. Use the provided hex key to adjust each valve. Turn clockwise to slow, counterclockwise to increase speed. For ADA compliance, the door should take approximately 15 seconds to close from fully open to latched. Adjust the backcheck so resistance begins near 90 degrees of opening to cushion the swing and prevent overextension. At the end of the closer barrel, you'll find the spring power adjustment screw. Turning this screw clockwise increases the closing force, useful for heavier or exterior doors subject to wind. After making all adjustments, open and close the door several times to confirm smooth, consistent motion and reliable latching. Finally, install the decorative cover. Your installation is now complete.